Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to play a media file in VLC Media Player. So it is very simple. You can see here I'm opening my VLC Media Player. So why I doing this video? Because so many people don't know how to play files in VLC. So how to do that? It is very simple. You can simply download this VLC Media Player from Play Store for free of cost, and after installing it you can open this. After opening, you can see this is the interface, and you can see here there is now you can select browse option, or you can choose video or audio. Actually browse is one of the best tab. You can easily access any kind of files. So I am opening my storages. There is my favorite folders. You can simply add favorite folders, otherwise you can open your internal memory. Then there is DCIM, normal camera, and also you can open a download folder. Then you can simply open any kind of your download files or videos. Okay, and I'm opening DCIM camera files, and you can see here there is multiple videos. I'm opening this dog video. You can see this. So in this way you can easily play any kind of file. And there is one more thing, that's VLC Media Player support all kind of most popular video codecs and audio codecs. So there is no kind of message that audio cannot be played like MX player. So VLC player is the best, but this UA is some kind of difficulty, so there is some problem with this UA. But once you learn it, then it will be one of the best thing ever you done your mobile media. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.